Hello guys, welcome back. Today it's me, Umar Warrior here. Today I'll be reviewing a bot that I've been using for quite a long time known as TacoMod. So basically, if you don't know what TacoMod is, it's a bot and I guess a pretty famous bot as it's in 555 servers. As you can see, the user count 194 is actually broken. The owner of the bot has said on the support server that the bot count is broken and he's currently working to fix it. The bot owner is Taco Plays. I'm highlighting his name so you can see it. And it has basically 9 different types of commands: the economy commands, fun commands, moderation commands, Reddit commands, meme commands, GIF and images, food commands, random facts and information, and miscellaneous commands. The miscellaneous commands basically consist of the bot info server. The server command takes you to the support server, as you can see, and the uptime tells you for how long the bot has been active, and the ping command tells you the ping of the bot, as you can see. Now moving ahead, the economy commands. How do the economy commands work, you may ask? Well, currently I think they are work in progress, but I don't know as the owner has not said anything about them. As you can see, there are 3 commands. I'm not doing in daily as I've already used it, so it won't work. It basically in daily allows you to take a certain, I think 500 coins, every 24 hours. Now moving on to fun commands, which are basically the main commands of the bot. First of all, today in this video I'll be covering the rage command, the Fortnite command, the game suggestion command, the snake command, and I think the comics command. So starting with the joke command. As you can see, this is how it works. It tells a random joke every time you do the joke command. Now moving ahead, the rage command. In the thing about the rage command is that it always sends a set GIF. It does not change. As you can see, it does not change. It's the same GIF. Now the comics command. Which I think is okay. No, it's working. It takes on the r/comic. Currently I can't see it because it's too small, so it takes on r/comics. Now the game suggestion command is pretty simple, and it's basically the title explains what it's about, but still I'm going to show you guys. As you can see, it tells you a random game, but it may repeat. It depends. Sometimes if you keep doing it like over and over and over and over again, it may repeat the same games it has already told you, but it only happens if you keep on spamming the command. Now moving on to snake. If you don't know what the game Snake is, it's basically you controlling a snake and you have to make it eat the apple. Whenever the snake eats the apple, it increases by 1 square, and I'll show you guys. Some reason I think the command is broken currently because it's not working. As you can see, it's supposed to work, but I think it's broken currently. Now anyways, leaving that, moving forward to the 8-ball command. You have to specify a question in this. For example, As you can see, it will tell you it's basically, I think, future based game according to me. That's what I think it is. So every time you do this, it will tell you an answer yes or no, or the reply is hazy, or the reply like it doesn't know. So it's basically it has a lot of possibilities to say, as the command has been remade as the owner had announced in the support server. Now moving ahead to the KK joke. Basically KK means knock knock joke. As you can see. Now moving on to the Reddit commands. It takes the Reddit command takes the image or GIF that it puts from r/Pokemon. Currently, for some reason, I think they okay, now it's working. It takes a random image or GIF from the r/Pokemon, as you can see. Now moving ahead to the meme commands. There are three main meme commands, which is meme. It's working, as you can see. Now moving ahead to the GIFs and images. The GIFs and images actually send a set GIF every time you do it. So it may be a set image or set GIF. So it's not like the Reddit commands that change every single time and are random. The food commands are also like the Reddit commands, except they are for food. For example, the sandwich command, which will take random image from r/sandwiches. The random facts information tells you a random fact or information. For example, space fact. This is also similar to the game suggestion command, that if you keep on spamming it, it may send like the same fact it has already told you. It may send a new one. It basically, and the command gets broken sometimes if you keep on spamming it. And the COVID commands. The COVID commands are something something unique according to me about the bot. First of all, we do COVID, and for example, we do the USA, and we'll tell you how many cases are active and how many cases are today. Something pretty unique to the bot according to me. The world news command, sometimes it does not tell you the headline, but still is a pretty good thing, and something I've not seen in most of the bots. It also takes from r/world news. And as I had told you, the miscellaneous command, which include a ping, bot info server, and uptime. According to me, the final verdict that I can give on the bot is like, it's worth it, you should get it, but I cannot do justice to it as you have to use it on your own to see how good it is. According to me, it's pretty good, and especially the purge and the snipe commands. So what does snipe do? Basically, it does not work on your, but if I delete this, which I don't have the perms to, let me delete mine. If I type snipe, as you can see, it will tell you the latest deleted message, which actually it can only do that if actually 5 minutes old, the deleted message. Otherwise it won't be able to do that. So moving ahead is the purge command. The purge command basically it deletes the bot will itself will send you a command that will send you a message that a message was purged. It will delete the message and delete basically it will delete its own message that it has purged it and the other messages. For example, if you do only purge one, it will delete only the bot's message of saying that the message has been purged. If you do it purge 2, it will delete another message with the same message that in which the bot said the, and basically that is pretty confusing, but yeah, it's something that I have to show you guys to understand. According to me, you should use it not only because of the purge commands and the snipe commands, which are something pretty good, and the purge command will help you if you want to like get rid of something like in a quantity, like if you don't want to delete a bunch of messages and you just want them to be gone like in a minute, you can just use the purge command and put a high value there. So according to me, this bot is pretty worth it, and it also has the ban and the kick command, which are pretty simple, and as you know, you just type ban and the username and the user gets banned. Same goes with kick, the user gets kicked. So basically, according to me, this is you all should get it. It's pretty good, and according to me, it's a pretty worth it bot that you all should have. So this is according to me. I'm also going to be providing the server invite link for the bot in the description below. So make sure to check the description and remember to like, subscribe. So this has been Umar, and see you guys.